way to get Hummingbird, my 2000 Dodge Neon. It's been sitting for 4 years now, I think. Yes, Lila, we're gonna go get Hummingbird and take it to my new location. Not a bad looking Mustang. But anyways, so it's been a long day in coming. Finally got a tow company that's going to hook me up, Southern Pride Towing here in Tennessee. I've always used them. Hopefully the deal's still set. But he's towed my Neon quite a few times. So Mark at Southern Pride, excellent guy. But anyways, I'm headed there, and I will see you all once I get there. Everybody, I'm here, and you can kind of see it hiding right there. There she is. There's Hummingbird. Drive by her. Surprised that dog's still here. I'm surprised they ain't put a bullet in your head yet. Oh, shut up. Anyways, here's Hummingbird. That tire still has air. Well, hello, Harley. See, you've got big. That tire looks a little low. That tire's definitely flat. Let's see. Got to get that control arm back in there. Let's see if y'all can see it. And then got to get a tie rod on. Got the control arm on. The bolt's not tight, but it's on there. Hopefully they use a rollback to get this car. Then this side, got to do the tie rod and put a brake line on it, because I think I got the caliper and all that. Yeah, I do. Right now I'm pumping up the tire. Seems to be holding there. Alright, I'm going to get back to work and hopefully get this car ready to tow, and I definitely got to get that muffler up. I'm off to the parts store. Turns out the tie rod that I put on there came off of my PT Cruiser, so it's a little bit short. Yeah, so I'm off to the Advance Auto to get the cheapest tie rod I can get. I don't need to get nothing expensive because this car definitely needs rebuilt. But once I get back, I would record me putting this car together, but the problem is I have no way to brace my phone so I can record it. That's why you're not. It's basically I show you what I need to do, and then boom, done. And as you can tell, this ain't really a repair video. It's just more of a, hey, I'm getting this car that's been sitting since I think 2017. Yeah, because I was driving it in 2016. The tags expired in 2016, and you know, I drove it with the expired tags because, you know, at that time I needed to. But It's been sitting since 2017. So roughly about almost 4 years. Yeah, we'll be going on 4 years here soon. Because it got parked. Actually, it got parked back in December of 2017. So yeah, I believe this would make, see, yeah, roughly, yeah, it's been about 3 years. Yeah, because it's about, no, come to think of it, I was driving it in 2017. That tag that's on the back of it actually goes to a previous Neon, a silver one that I had that I lost in a divorce. Well, I didn't lose it, I gave it away. I shouldn't have gave it away because I could have definitely used that as my parts car. Because the computer in it fried, so it'd have been a great parts car. So the car's not been sitting maybe 3 years. Then that would sound about right. About 3 years. Being a northern car from Ohio, it's pretty rusty. And then sitting right there in a very humid area, that rust has just been able to get a lot of moisture. At least where I'm going now, it will be sitting out in the open, and it will definitely dry off. And no more mice problems. I noticed a mouse has got into the car and was chewing up my seat cover. At least it didn't chew up the seats. That's a good thing. But anyways, head to the parts store, get this part, and then I will head back, and hopefully, like I said, the deal's still good for the tow, but I want to get the car together first before I give them a call, because if not, then I'll have to scrounge up a little bit more money, and if not, I'll have to come back tomorrow and get it towed. But I definitely want to get that car out of there so my ex-wife can take care of all that crap, you know, that's laying around the property, because she needs to burn it, but you definitely don't want to burn it with that car there, because there's still gas in the tank, and you know, it's 3 years old. You know, that gas could still rupture. But anyways, I will see you all in a bit. Hopefully you can hear me. I got an air pump going. Oh, there we go. Well, I must got that unhooked. But that's where she sits mileage wise. This was the old console stuff I had. There's most of the brakes, parts, Xbox. The axles are in the back. Bumpers, front bumpers right here. But I think I can go ahead and pull that out. Need to get some sun visors and stuff. Oh, I accidentally cut it off. Check out, the dome light's on. That's how I got power running to it. Nothing's smoking, so that's good. Got the control arm in. Got a brand new inner tie rod and outer tie rod. I got the boot, I just don't got it on because I'm going to have to retake everything off, because I don't have the plastic washer that goes right here, which would be over here. Which actually getting this all together is going to be quite easy. The tow company is coming, but it's going to be a couple hours, so I'm going to have to wait. In the meantime, I'll get all this crap cleaned up in here. Get these leaves and stuff off. That way, you know, it's just in case Mark said he's going to come out and do it. That's one of my buddies. Let's see. Did that go on there? No. Maybe it was this one. No. Too small. But anyways, got one on. Gotta get all that in the pile. Well, I will get back to y'all once I get this towing done. Oh, we got a chewed wire right here. Kind of hang that over there. What? Getting all the tires aired up with my little tire compressor. That was low. But all right, I'm gonna get this going, y'all, and I'll be back.